Okay, kilala na. Makakatip naman. For our first game, here we go. Let's get it on. Fabig. Fabig to Tuazon. Tuazon, lapas to Sir Paul. Nabis si Kuya Gemma. Si Sir Paul, ha? Nabis si Sir Paul. Same ball. Tuazon to Sir Paul. Moving on. Back to Sir Paul. Faking. Creates. Denied. Fast break opportunity. On the left side. 2 points. With his skid with a pass. Number 13. Fabig. Oralo. No. Tapikan. Benavides to Tuazon. No. Other side, ball. On the move. Crossover on the right side. 6 on 3. No. Number 11. Oh, deny. Wrong pass. No. Wrong man. Number 6 to Tuazon. Inside. No. There's 2. Fabig. No. Same ball. Oralo. Right side in the middle. No. Good defense by the defenders. Love pass to Levi. No. Hello. Number 6. Number 6 on the move.
Yeah, you see your dad, right?
Number 7 to Watson. 3-point paint. Perimeter, no good. On the middle. No roll. Then a full Benavides to Oralo. Oralo, perimeter, still fighting their shot. No, Watson recovers the ball. Inside, Oralo, to ball. For Benavides, sizing up. Creating opportunity. Takes in a pull-up, deny. Once again, number 11 on the move. Rubica creates. Same ball opportunity. 2-0. On the right side. Takes it. No. Polby. Anong gagawin mo, Sir Paul? Oh, Jeff Tuazon on the quick move. No. With the pass lead, Euro. No, number 21. Number 21 on the glass. No pa rin. Oralo on the move, behind the back pass. Tuazon, perimeter. 2 points. Score natin. Only 2. Inside, pull up. No roll. Polby on the move. Polby on the move. Pumuersa creates. Using his body to create separation. 4-2. 3 seconds. Violation. Opponent's ball.
Thank you. Goods na tayo, goods na ba? Goods na ba? Goods na, no? Oo, sa... Kasi sobra. Yung 3-6.
Okay, on the move. Rubica, inside, no! Ball creates 2 points para kay Paul Benavides. Oh, again. That's taken for 8-2. 6.8. Oh, good throw. Number 6 on the move. No. Oh, behind the back. What a booty move. Wow, amazing. Ball movement. 4-8. Wasn't on the move. Nothing connects. Polby to Tuazon. Inside. Ali, a foul. 2 free throws para kay number 6. Change score tayo, pare. Change score. Score natin, 4-8. Let's go that down, sabi ng daughter mo. On the 3-point game. No. Paul Benavides on the move. Pass to Watson, back to Oralo. Cross pass, in and out. Number 11 on the move. Inside. Nothing in. Nothing in the paint. Number 6 on the glass. There's no bounce once again. Watson on the middle. 2 points. Grabe ka naman, Watson. On the left side, inside, in the middle. Connects with that. Use from the glass. Watson. Oralo. Lays on the lefty. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Batting to draws. No. Out of bounds. Opponent's ball. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. Quickly. No. No. Paul Benavides on the move. Behind the back pass. No. Fast break opportunity. Oralo is there. On the glass. No. Bolby runs over. Biggie on the glass. 3 seconds violation. Opponent's ball. Hindi tumama sa ring. Galing ikaw, ha? 3 points. No. Oralo on the move. Oralo. Crossover. Oh! What a hesitation. No. Hey. Good defense. Oh no, there's a drop mode. Number 11. Ruby. Inside. On the glass. Connects. 8-10. Last 2 minutes in the game. Score natin, 8-10. Watson on the middle. Yes, sir. Behind the back pass. No, nakitulik pa rin. Offense takes the lead with the 4 points. Inside, no. Dito kay sabi ng bola. Watson on the move. Connects. 14-8. Bagong pita. Oh, sabi niya, take ko na to. Nothing in front of me. Sabi ni Kuya. Score natin, 10-14. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds in the game. Number 13. Oh, Luigi. Body. Foul. Side ball. Sa baba. Okay. Last 50 seconds. Ball to Oralo. Connects. 16-10. Lamang lang ng 6. Dalawang press lang yan, kapatid. Crossover. 3 points. Bang! 3. That's 13-6. 13-16. Tatlo lang ang lamang. Last 20 seconds. They have to stop this. 10 to shoot. Pull up. Oh. Go next. Last 10 seconds. 5-point lead. They have to do this quickly. 3. Last 2 seconds. Game ball. 18-16. Otis win the game.